those who want call to contribution. It's easy bit to go call that girl who push you. I don't pity him. Katin beg. Kwajafa. Go call her. Go outside. Bless her, she don't reach gate. Now, make I ask you one question. Now, may I ask you now. I know why they ask you this question. Now, because most times. Okay. Oh yeah, go sit down.
And I find girl, no be your husband. Iya me. Let's ooh.
Shala from Mina. Anyway, I beg people to put our phone numbers for screen for those who want call. Our phone numbers there on top of the screen. Call us now from Katina. Good evening. Okay, our phone numbers there on top of the screen now, and then make you begin call us. Make we know what you get to talk on something matter. For Twitter, how the please help me tell Easy Pete, say him na my spec. Now, I like a girl who is real and truthful and down to earth. And to be not be like these fake girls where they this show.
I mean, who that person, babe? Tell us who is that?
Now, Easy Pete, you get one question where you want ask. You get something where you be the talk.
Yeah.
I better talk that thing.
I talk say many a times, it's good as girls they make their choices like this. But see the kind guy where all of them put eyes that they look for, and they gonna forget say most of the times after all these choices where they don't make, they end up not settling for guys like that.
Why?
Okay, now you forget say see all the guys now. What this one say one, this one say one, this one say one.
This one say one money, the other one say
no. This one say one money, and that money they go kill him.
Wait now.
The other one say that
but by the time you check them, almost all the girls they want those kind of guys.
Yes.
So now you expect say the guy not go cheat, the guy not go do anyhow, the guy not go get hot tempered, the guy not go they maltreat you.
But they don't fit talk say now I want the man that will cheat. Yeah.
At least okay now, none of them talk say they want man where they are two go get a joint idea, create life together.
Wait, Matta. None of them talk say I want man when he be say we two go feel raise godly family.
Godly
I want
family.
Man when we
don't talk that one.
No, everybody is all about the everybody is all about the physical. Now the only person who even makes sense when I know say he own now wahala he go end up with. Now for example, I get friends. As you take talk when you talk that time, I get friend when he be say in babe love the guy die stupidly.
And the guy go home money.
And the guy home money. The guy get 2 Range Rover Sports. He get X6 BMW. Now as you take talk that way talk, this guy don't tell this guy make a corner from car for 3rd Mainland Bridge. Then they talk. The guy park for 3rd Mainland Bridge say get out of this car. The guy say get out of this car. The guy come out. The next day the guy go back cry. I'm sorry. What nonsense
when you're
is that?
not even wrong.
When you're not even wrong. Not be you they wrong.
So you're
now because of all these things where they want. I beg a good evening because
so you the talk say these girls go do the same thing.
They go like this one. Now money they go to take do this one. Oh yeah. Josephine, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How is you, my sister? I beg.
Fine.
I beg, what is the thing when you want in a man?
I want love.
Oh.
One.
That covers a lot of things.
Love,
Love. Not only love.
Only love now.
Josephine, God bless your father. God bless your mama where born you. Thank you. Good night. Now, una see say all this you will not talk. Not vex so. None of una don't talk love. Now, do you know even Bible talk say love covers everything.
There are different type of love.
The Bible says what is love? Love is patient. Love is kind. Love is enduring.
If you say love, there are different shades of love. The love when go love is they won't put you under chair. Say make you don't come out from inside. There are different kind of love. So
you know that's the Catholic
Gerald from Rivers, good evening. Gerald.
Hello?
Good evening, my brother.
Yeah, good evening.
I didn't hear you. What you get to talk?
Kasim Baba there.
I mean, Mama, yeah, Gerald. I don't
Yes,
hear. About Port Harcourt.
Yes, I'm good from Port Harcourt, yes.
Oh, Abana wo, Oba Woody on Fian.
I saw I am bumping.
So, I'm there now. Live out for the living.
My brother! Stop!
Kasim. I'm the only
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hello, DJ.
Bye-bye. Hey, I better cut this guy. Cut him.
serious now.
He never learned.
Hey, now they talk about 2 minutes, don't go. 3 minutes, don't go. Okay,
No.
now, make I ask you now one question. Which of una person go bring flower give una? See, they keep flower or check. Talk true and shame the devil. Which of una go collect flower?
Which one you go advise your sister? Make it call
Answer the question. Canteen is support them. Since time not there.
Time not there again.
Canteen is support them.
Now wait, make
Okay,
support.
or wait, ma ask you, which one you go take? See, talk true. Not because of say we dey TV. Talk true.
I'll collect the check, but I would love the flowers too.
Only. This blank check.
Hey, how much?
check.
I don't know. Check.
I don't check whether blank or unblank.
Talk.
I go take check.
I go take check because I go feel invest of my business.
I feel bad.
I go feel invest of my business.
I think say you not go mind if the man not get money.
No get money.
I think say you not go mind if the man not get money.
But at that point,
But I know your own na check.
she take blank check.
Blank check, I mean.
Now,
There's some flowers.
Ma give una one advice. Ma give una one advice. You see you, they go use you do ritual. You go get husband, but you go take small.
Who?
Because
Which one?
This girl.
Anke, which girl?
Where we are pink.
Okay.
How you go take measure God-fearing man? You get what somebody will send to it. It's okay. How then they measure religion or faith of your partner? On aspect of men, in all day markets. I not go like give you.
Men
I not go like give you.
money, not today.
Men will get money not today religious.
Very strict. Very strict.
Men will get money not today religious. They are very strict and mean.
Mike say, I like a girl who is God-fearing, beautiful, faithful, submission, and sexual. Very
Now,
darling.
see, you go tell before you get husband. You, just go down, Reverend Sister. You, Kwajafa. You don't know what you want. because say the man I don't want money. Now flower is check, go give you check. The only person where I know say go see husband marry, but they go use and do ritual at the end.
Thank you.
Anyway, DJ Indo say all these girls go end up with 4 to 5 guys each.
Thank you.
But I like the girl on pink, Sha, as my guy easy be the I am. Yeah. Indo. When you see easy be the I am.
Anyway, double toilet to everybody who don't call us on top of the show for today. Thank you to Ogo, thank you to Onyinye, thank you to Kwajafa, and thank you to my bull. You not lawyer, right? And then to all of our callers, double toilet to all of them. And then to K Solo, the in fact, holla back, my guy, anytime, any day. And then to K Moss, double toilet to K Moss, to Big Bash, Sharply, everybody, the sound guys. What be their name? I don't know their name.
Femi and Annie.
Femi and Annie. Double toilet to all of una. And then for Abeg, if una dey una house this night, make una pray for these girls. Pray for all the girls where they are around to make their idea change of the man where they want marry. The only person where don't come where make sense, say na only love in want in a man. See fine men like us.
You can't remember Femi.
Fine men like us.
Find the kind of love that you
Let me sell your market.
My teeth is bending me.
Come here.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.